Hello guys, welcome back again. Today I will show you how you can increase FPS on your PC to maximize your gaming performance. Don't worry, it's not going to ruin your computer. We do exactly like the previous video by cleaning the temp files. It's not just boost your PC performance, but free up some space as well. So open Run and type temp. Control A and delete the remaining folder. It's not going to delete your data or folder, it's just the temp files itself. Repeat by open Run again by typing this one. Go to search bar and type disk cleanup and click OK. By cleaning disk, you will see your computer performance 2-3 times better. Again, it will not cause any data loss, so don't worry. Wait until it's done. Next, here maximize your window performance. For Windows 10, click on the battery icon in the notification area of your Windows 10 taskbar, drag it to best performance. Also go to Setting and search Choose Power Plan and choose Maximize Power or High Performance. Next, disable Game Bar. Go to search bar and type Game Bar. If it's on, turn it off. It consumes extensive system resources that can negatively impact your system performance. In the same tab, go to Game Mode and turn it on. It will improve gaming performance for sure. Next, here you will have to decide yourself whether you really want performance. Go to Setting and search Core Isolation. Memory integrity is a critical component that protects and hardens Windows. That's why it may take quite resource to function. But if your PC is for gaming only, it's okay to turn off. Some said that they get more 5 to 10 frames per second after turning off. Update your GPU driver up to date or latest version. You can do that in GeForce Experience or in the nvidia official website. If you're up to new games, it's really important. Click on Check on Update to see if there's new version available. If it was, then you will see just like me. Click on Express Installation and wait until it's finished. It may take 5 to 10 minutes, depend on your internet connection. Next, Hardware Accelerated GPU Scheduling. Hardware Accelerated GPU Scheduling is a feature designed to reduce the load on your CPU during intensive tasks so the GPU can render it. When the Hardware Accelerated GPU Scheduling feature is enabled, the dedicated GPU-based scheduler will handle the high-priority tasks. This way, the CPU can execute more tasks in the same amount of time. It's better to turn on if you have low-end CPU. I suggest you to go and test and see which one is better for you, because the feature might encounter compatibility issues with specific hardware or software. For me, I'll leave it off. Last one here, configure GPU setting. The last one here is suitable for low-end PC, and you might not care much about graphic of the game. Right-click and find NVIDIA Control Panel. If you didn't find it, you can install it on Microsoft Store. Choose Performance over Quality and apply. Moving the slider to the performance side will display more jaggies. but increase the frame rate for faster application performance. As I said, if you don't care about graphics, it will give you some FPS. Most of the time I care more about graphics, so personally I will use quality. Go to PhysX setting and choose your dedicated GPU or nvidia GPU, and it will boost your overall gaming performance. That's all for today. Don't forget to leave thumb up and comment if these methods are working for you guys.